Myself Meera Panja.
My name is Menas Panja. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. On this day we celebrate the birth of Lord Jesus Christ.
Christmas is the festival of love, happiness and care. It is about sharing and helping the needy.
All houses and churches are cleaned before Christmas. They are beautifully decorated with flowers for Christmas celebrations. People also decorate Christmas tree at their homes with colorful balls, ribbons and red socks. They distribute gifts and sing Christmas carols on the occasion. Christians visit the church and light the candles to worship Lord Jesus Christ.
They eat special dinner called the feast and Christmas cake.
Kids love Christmas because they get lots of gifts from Santa Claus who visits their home at midnight. Today we are going to make Christmas tree. For this activity you will need one green colored A4 size paper, some decorative material, 4 ice cream sticks, some glue, 1 scissor, 1 paintbrush, some green and brown color. Now take ice cream sticks and color 3 ice cream sticks green on one side. Now color the 4th ice cream stick brown from one side and then let them dry for few minutes. Now take 3 green colored ice cream stick and keep them as I am doing. Keep one above the another like this. And now keep the third one making a triangle like this. Now take some glue and apply glue on one end of the ice cream stick and stick the ice cream stick like this. Now apply glue on the ends of 2 ice cream sticks and then stick the third one like this, making a triangle. Now let it dry. Keep the triangle on the green colored A4 size paper and press it. Now cut the triangle from the green colored A4 size paper. After getting the triangle, now stick the ice cream stick triangle on the paper triangle. Apply glue on the paper. Stick the paper on ice cream stick triangle properly. Start decorating your tree with decorative materials. Apply glue and then stick some colorful thermocol balls like this randomly. and then apply glue on flower cutouts and stick them and make your Christmas tree pretty. Stick star at the top of the tree. Now take brown color ice cream stick, apply glue at the top of the stick and then stick the tree on the brown ice cream stick, and our Christmas tree is ready. Christmas teaches us to practice kindness and love towards each other.
Be helpful to others by helping the needy.
Show love towards everyone.
Be kind towards others.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care.